Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the TikTok dance. Not sure what to call it, but it's like the sound is from Gordon and it's a dance by Gordon and Konkrete, I think. But the song is actually called Dancing by Aaron Smith. Okay, it's a remix. Okay, let's just jump right into it. It's a relatively short and easy dance, in my opinion. So I'm gonna break it down into 3-minute section. Okay, so preview of the first minute section, it goes like this. Boom, 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 hey, 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 hey. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, let me break that down for you. So, this step, what I like to call the smooth step. If you know the official name, let me know. I just made a detailed tutorial on how to do that, so if you're interested, check it out in the description and also somewhere up here, alright? So let me just go over it briefly. What you want to do, left leg is saying up on your heel, with your toes to the side. The right leg is just saying lift up, down, alright? So when you do it a bit faster, it's going to look like this. Boom. Alright, now you repeat it to the other side. Now the right one is on heel, turning to the side. Left one is saying whoom. So when you do it together, it's gonna look like this. Whoom. Alright? So this is the move. Whoom. 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 Bend your knees so the effect looks bigger. Alright? Boom. Boom. Now you wanna do this side, alright? So left side and then right side and then 2 times to the left. And the way I do that is I go whoom, regular one. Now the left is just going back, and then I do another one to the left again. Okay, let me just show the double one. So I'm doing whoom, left, whoom. Let me show you again. Whoom, left, whoom. Okay, so when you do it all together, it's gonna look like this from the tip to top. Whoom, 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 and whoom. All right, so make sure that it's easier to just lift it at the end. Okay. Double and double. Okay? So, try it with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna try. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go whoom, whoom, double. Whoom and whoom. Try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go whoom, whoom, double, and here. Alright, so basically the first minute section is just doing this move. Boom, double, and then you repeat it to the other side. Right, left, and right. Alright, and then one last time. Left, right, left, and left. Okay, so it's 3 times. Now, the only difference is like the arms. So you want to start, the arms are starting like this. Yeah, so you do this. Boom, boom, boom. And then you want to bring it up here. Thumbs up, whatever you want. Boom, 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 and boom. And then the last one is just going out like that. What, and what. Alright? Notice how I changed the level. So I leaned a bit to the front when I did it in the beginning. Boom, 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 boom. Also here, boom, 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 boom. And then on the last one, I kind of want to lay back a bit. Boom, 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 boom. So when I do it to the front, just try with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna try. We're gonna go a bit slow, alright? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, 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 and boom, 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 and boom. Last one. Boom, 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 and boom. Okay, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, 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 and boom, 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 and boom. Last one. Boom, 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 and boom. Alright, moving on to minute section 2. It's gonna be mini. It's basically, let me just show you, it's gonna be boom, ha, boom, ha. Alright, let me break that down for you. So this was end of 1. 2 goes small step to the front with your right, and then the left is gonna say kick behind and then tap with your right arm, all right? Now you wanna step back, boom, right goes up, you can hit it if you want to, and then bring it back down, okay? Let me rewind. So this was the left 1, 2 goes, boom, back, here, up, down. And then the last move, let me show you, it goes jump up and then hit both your legs, all right? So boom, boom. Let me just try again from the tip to top. I'm just gonna recap, not the tip to top, but the start of mini section 2. So from here you go, boom, tap, back, boom, here, jump up, up, up. All right, now the timing is boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, all right? So what I mean by that is I go boom, ba, ba, boom, ba. Okay, so when I do it a bit fast, it's gonna look like this. Boom, ba, ba, boom, ba. Okay, let's try and practice that. We're gonna go a bit slower. The jumping might not be as low as we want, but let's try this, okay? 5, 6, from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, ba, ba, boom, ba. All right, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, ba, ba, boom, ba. Okay, feel free to practice on your own. Now we're gonna try mini section 1 and 2 together. And just do a quick recap from the tip to top. So it goes boom, ba, double here, boom, ba, double here, and then boom, ha, double here, boom, ba, boom, ba. Now the timing, let me explain the timing. In the beginning, I go after the lyrics, so get up on the flow, blah, 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 blah. So it goes, get up on the flow. That's how cue to start, all right? Get up on the flow, na, 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 na. And then from here, boom, ha, ha, boom, ha. All right, let me show that again. So it goes, get up on the flow, na 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 na, get na 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 na, na 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 na, boom, ha, ha, boom, ha. All right, let's try and practice. I'm just gonna say, get up on the, and then we start on the flow, okay? Let's go. Get up on the flow, na 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 na. Get na 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 na, na 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 na, boom, ha, ha, boom. Let's try that again. 5, 6, sorry, let me just sing, get up on the flow. Get up on the flow, na 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 na. Get na 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 na, na 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 na, boom, ha, ha, boom. All right, moving on to the last mini section 3, okay? Just a quick preview. So right after we've done, boom, 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 ha ha, it goes wah, 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 ba, ba, and a boom, hey, hey, wah, ba, da, ba. Okay, let me break that down for you. So end of 2 was jump, jump. Now, 3 goes, you wanna prep by taking your shoulder, right shoulder up, left shoulder down, and then you wanna go boom, boom, boom. So we want to do 3 of those. It goes and boom, and boom, and 3, okay? So at the same time, you kind of want to lean to your right, right? Boom, boom, boom. And then on the last one, you want to say clap, clap, all right? To your right side. Let's just try that. We're going to go and boom, 2, 3, clap, clap. Just a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, 2, 3, clap, clap. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, 2, 3, clap, clap. All right, from here, what you want to do is you want to take a step with your left, boom. So at the end of this one, my left is already lifted a bit. Now I want to just bring it down, yeah, and then I want to go boom, boom, boom. That's basically the step. I go step out, then I want to bring my right in and go bend a bit out to your right here, gather, bend a bit, right? So it goes boom, down, boom, down. So boom, 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 down, boom, down. Also, I'm gonna use my arms here. So I wanna say boom with my right, my left is behind here, and then I wanna go boom, left, boom. Okay? So let me just rewind here. I did and 1, 2, 3, clap, clap, and now left, out, right, out. Okay, now from here, the last thing you want to do is just go this move that we already know, the smooth step. Just 2 or 3 of those, and then it's basically freestyle. There's a sound that says ka ka ka. All right. What I do is I go boom, boom, stop, shake, 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 whatever. All right, so that was it. Let's just try and recap mini section 3, and then we're gonna practice. Okay. So a recap of mini section 3. This was and a 2, 3 goes and a 1, 2, 3, clap, clap, and a step out and a step out and an a that free step. Okay, let's just try and practice that. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna go and 1, 2, 3, clap, clap, and so on. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, clap, clap, step out, smooth, smooth, and free step. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, clap, clap, and a step out, smooth, smooth, free step. Okay guys, time to do the full dance. I'm just gonna do a recap of the full dance and then we're gonna practice. So it goes smooth step to the left, boom, right, double, left, switch, switch, double. Here, last one, boom, boom, a, and then boom, kick, hit, jump, and then shoulder. 1, 2, 3, clap, clap, and a step left, out, and a right, out, and a smooth, smooth, and free step. Now, the timing is get up on the floor, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, boom ha ha, boom ha, and a ha, and a boom ha, boom ha, a free ka ka ka. Alright guys, time to practice. We're gonna go super slow in the beginning. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna sing. Get up on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get up on the floor. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Boom ha ha. Boom ha. And a 2, 3. Clap clap and a boom ha ha. Boom ha. And a smooth, smooth, and a free step. Okay guys, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get up on the floor. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Boom ha ha. Boom ha. And a and a boom ha ha. Boom ha. A free ka ka ka. Alright guys, now you just need to practice on your own a million times. Alright, now I'm just gonna do one last time to the real tempo. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get up on the floor. Na 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 na. Boom ha ha. Boom ha. And a and a boom ah, boom ah, ha, ba ba ba. 6, big thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. For those of you who don't know what Skillshare is, it's an online learning community with thousands of classes within all kinds of topics. So obviously there's dance, but there's also music if you want to learn how to play the guitar, if you want to learn how to be a gardener, business skills, you name it, they have it. I do have to say that you would have to pay in order to join and take these classes, but I don't know, it's kind of obvious to me because it's a platform made just for learning and there are benefits like no ads, etc. Anyways, there's an offer right now for new users, so the first 1,000 people to click on the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial. I will personally also be taking a class called YouTube Script, Shoot and Edit by Marcus Brown Lee. Obviously, I do know one or two things about YouTube, but I think the good thing about this class is that it takes you through the whole process from A to Z, so I might still learn a lot of things. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.